Thank you for your interest in this course, Introduction to Cybersecurity. This course is a presentation of coding boot camps. So this is Introduction to Cybersecurity, and we are going to look at how cybersecurity works. A little bit about myself. My name is Jim Sullivan. I am a senior instructor at coding boot camps and also a blockchain developer at DC Webmakers. As a software engineer, I've worked with blockchain development, DevOps, blockchain security, cloud, application development, and the safe, agile methodology. The blockchain platforms I've worked with are Hyperledger, Ethereum, and Corda. And I am also a programmer, and some of my skills span Java, Kotlin, Go, PHP, and .NET. There are no prerequisites for this course. So the high-level topics that we'll address, we'll do the cybersecurity overview, a review of cryptography, computer security, application security, network security. We'll look at penetration testing, hacking versus ethical hacking, and also how to become an ethical hacker. So our takeaways from this course is a rich overview of cybersecurity. Some follow-on classes, a look and an introduction to blockchain cybersecurity, introduction to the Linux operating system, and this is a good one, introduction to Python programming. Thank you again for your interest in this course. Again, a presentation of coding boot camps, and we'll see you in the course.